cars. I live on a noisy street. Side to side. 2 ways. Yeah, it's 2 ways. Wait, it's a 1-way, sorry. You got them. But then you got the rich people on the left. Tell me who would win. Left side over there, or right side. Left or right? Tell me who you would think would win. Then you got them. You should have seen them earlier. They're like, come over here. They're lighting up the whole sky. And then you have our little neighbors. And then you have our boring stuff. Oh. I mean, you gotta tell me. Which side is going to win? Left, right, or right side? Think they're getting ready. Ooh, they got a shade. Dad, can you please light off a firework? Oh, look at that little lightning. At least a bottle rocket. Can you do a bottle rocket? Oh, here goes our baby. Now it's shooting off little minis. Can you please light up now? My dad's being a butthead. They live all the way over there. They have a little farmhouse. Oh, look, they have baby sparklers. You should know what they're doing is just laying off that boring stuff. And then they got their little sparklers. Oh, look at that. It's going to light off a little quickie. They're still doing that. Because we're saving our big guns for, like, we're going, like, up north, like to Claire. So we have a parent pickles in 2 weeks. Congratulations for me. We're going to bring my cousin if we can, but there they go again. Firework war. And there he goes again. Bounce, 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 bounce. They already kind of lit off all the big guns. Like, these people do it every year. They're like the greatest. You can't tell me. Left, right, left. Ooh, what was that? They always like to do a family night in Kentonwood. With Wars 3 Kalamazoo. They're just doing it already.